Hello everybody, welcome to another Back with AJ Codes, and today this is my second game dev vlog, and I have lots to show you. Well, kind of lots, but not really a lot, and lots of updates to show y'all. Sorry for the stuttering. I'm doing this like off script with no script. But let's get into it. So first things first, I've been messing around with old game code, like from a while, like from an old project somewhat I've been working on. And this is how far I've got. It's been lagging and junk. I've been messing around with FPS and stuff, positions of X and Y and other collision and other stuff. I've also learned this new thing that adds music into your game. Whoops. So now if I were to do this, and then if we click play, it should play music. Yeah, that's like really cool for me. That's really gonna be helpful. I've also want to show you the assets I got. I got fonts, ground, but yeah, this is like all my old code. This is from a different game I was learning from when I was first learning Pygame, but I was testing around with it to see new things to put in my actual game. Now, which I'm about to show you actually. This is my actual game code. I know it's a lot. But first things to show you, I want to show you the actual game code. The actual game. I have a background now that's actually fully fitting the screen. I got ground, texture, surface, whatever you want to call it. A ground basically, render to text. Basically, you know, like in like old 2D Mario, hopefully editor me would put that into the video. Old 2D Mario had like road 1. Sorry, I'm putting on my monitor that y'all can see it. We have like road 1 over here, and like you and like the pipes and junk. I went in the kind of style. What else do I have? I've also have old game code like I told you all about. I was testing around with. It runs really slow, forgive me, but I'm also really lazy. I have that, so I'm using that for reference for code into the actual game. As you can see, I don't have that much stuff, and besides that, I have collision and basically backgrounds, fonts, and that's it. I don't even have a single function in here. Well, this is a function, but you know what I mean. Let's see. Yeah, my intro is my home screen, my welcome screen. That's nothing really new. Shout out to the YouTuber that also helped me figure out how to make this. Special thanks to them. I don't really know their names though. I have player classes now, so I'm actually using classes like class, player, def, init stuff. This is like the all the stuff for the player, and that's like on the screen right now. So it's just code in that actual main document. I have a function side of it, which gives it gravity, and then that's being messed with. That's kind of wrong. I didn't say that's weird. I said that should kind of wrong. I also have another class called the button that just messes with the intro, so those two go together. And yeah, I also have an options thing for the menu. I haven't got fully far in that yet lately because I've been working on the main and the players .py code lately, and the lag one. The other one I showed you, this one. Yeah, this one. But yeah, that's all I've been working on. I know it's not a lot to show y'all, but it's a lot of hard work for me, because especially someone that's not fully new to this, I'm learning new stuff every day, and I'm texting friends every day to learn. So, I just want to say thank you for joining me on this process. And before I wrap up the video, because I know it's not a long one, it's not even a full minute, I think. Oh, it's 3 minutes long, but yeah. To wrap up the video, I want to say I go live on YouTube now, on AJ Code's YouTube channel, and I do cozy game dev vlogs, not game of vlogs, game dev talks and chill, you know? I put on lo-fi music, and we just talk and chill while I code, you know? As like a coding community. If you're into that, maybe hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you get a notification every time I go live or upload a new video like this one. Lastly, I have I have a TikTok channel, Jerzo247 on TikTok. I have currently, let's see, I currently have, let's see, 213 followers on TikTok. So if you want to follow me on there, that'd be greatly appreciated. I post like shorter game dev vlogs on there and other stuff on there, but I'm trying to turn into a game dev channel where I have talk to my community and other stuff like that. If you're interested in that, follow. It should be my about section on my YouTube channel. And yeah, that sorry for I'm trying to make it weekly uploads, but I can't make any promises. And sorry like for the lack of progress to show you. It's a lot of hard work once again, and yeah. Lastly, I want to show you all my assets. I have these are all just starter assets and placer assets. I don't fully know if I'm gonna use them yet. I'm still debating. I know I'm gonna use like some of these, like a good amount basically, because it's really nice to use. And yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.